up, my K-Dolls and kids? Welcome back to the Dollhouse. If you're new to the Dollhouse, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's cold. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I'm that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you. I'm that bitch, and I thought that they told you. Pretty with an attitude. 1500 on some fucking shit.
Alright, you guys, so I already know why you clicked on this video. You want to know what the hell am I talking about? What does Kiana talk about? What did Kiana get done? What is going on? All this stuff. So I'm gonna talk about it and I'll show you guys, you know, in the video. But before I even get into this video for real, I want you guys to stop what you're doing right now and go subscribe to my personal channel where I really post everything. I posted the vlogs, what I'm about to tell you guys about. Like, I just post everything on that channel when it comes to my personal life. And you guys know this channel is for more like spicy content, collabs and stuff like that. I also want to talk about that too because I know a lot of you guys are a little bit confused. You guys keep telling me you guys want to see like beauty videos, girl talk and stuff like this on this channel. That's not what this channel is about. You guys want to see those type of videos, I say subscribe to my other channel where I do like beauty talks, makeup tutorials, vlogs by myself, like a lot of like behind the scenes of my life, a lot of Kiana. I feel like you guys should subscribe to the other channel. This channel is more for like pranks, challenges, spicy vlogs, collaborations with other YouTubers or whatever the case may be. So videos, cause I pay attention to you guys' comments. The videos that you guys really want to see, or I'm not saying you guys don't want to see like pranks and stuff like that. If you really want to get like behind the scenes of my life, please subscribe to my other channel, and that's called The Life of K. I'll put it right here so you guys could just go ahead and subscribe to that channel. This channel has all the like behind the scenes of my life, vlogs, cooking videos. You guys want to learn how to cook, going on my journey with what I'm about to do now, all that stuff, like hair, makeup, all that stuff that you guys are interested in, me talking about businesses and stuff. That channel will have all that, so just subscribe to that channel. But anyways, you guys, I don't want to say plastic surgery, but I got something done on my face. I had got my lips done. Yes, I got lip fillers. I know a lot of people did not want to see my lip fillers. The reason why I have a mask on is because I want you guys to pay attention to what I'm telling you, and then I'll show you my lips. Now, you want to see me get my lips done, y'all want to see the whole process, subscribe to the other channel because the vlog is on there or will be on there. The vlog is up on that channel regardless. If you guys want to see how I got my lips done, how I felt, really see the before and afters, go to that channel. But basically, I got my lips done, yes. I know a lot of people want to know why I got my lips done. It's because I wanted more of a fuller look to my lips. I don't hate anything on my face or anything. I didn't hate my lips. I feel like my lips are perfect. I had really full lips. They're kind of hurting right now when I got this mask on, but I had really full lips. Well, it could have been fuller. I just wanted more like how do I say it, I wanted more definition to my lips, especially my top lip. I just wanted more of like a plump, like more like pow, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't really want to go for size. Size wasn't really what I was aiming for, just a little bit, not really. Like a lot of girls that get their lips done, they aim for size. They really want size, they want that big fullness. But a lot of women that get their lips done, before they got their lips done, they didn't really have lips, you know what I'm saying? So they aim for size. With me, on the other hand, didn't really aim for the size, just a little bit. I want to say like 40% of me aimed for the size, and the other percent of me really just wanted some definition, especially in my my top lip. I really just wanted to talk about that. Also, just explain to you guys, like, yes, I did get my lips done. It's not a bad thing. Did it hurt right now? It does hurt just a little bit, not too much, but it hurts a little bit. I am going to be getting a BBL soon. Now, my BBL journey, that will be a separate video, but that will be on my other channel. So if you guys are interested in that as well, subscribe to the other channel, because your girl is getting a BBL, and I'm going through the process right now, and this will be a tough process for me because I have to go through some body changes. And if you guys want to know what that body change is, you already know what I'm about to say. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on lately. Got my lips done. What else? I'm going to be traveling a lot. Also, with new content, I have new content coming up for y'all. Just stay tuned for that, because I know you guys, I'm gonna be honest with myself. You guys know I'm really real. I keep it a buck on this channel. I keep it really honest, really open. I do pay attention to you guys' comments, and I do agree with you guys. You guys are tired of the repetitiveness. You guys are tired of like the boring content, videos, same old, and I take that into consideration because I take my brand very serious. I take what you guys say very serious. This is a dollhouse, you know, and I want the dollhouse to be happy. I want my kiddos and kids to be happy. So what you guys tell me, I take into consideration. So since I took that into consideration, I am going to be improving a lot of stuff, a lot of content. I'm going to be changing my intro. I know I just got a new intro, but I paid attention to you guys' comments. You guys didn't really like the new intro, you know? So in my team, we're working on a new one for you guys that I know for a fact you guys will like. Also, the videos with, you know, the rating my outfit videos with guys and stuff you guys didn't really like, so I will stop that. I will really stop like the plain, boring, same old content. I know you guys want me to bring back pranks, me pranking people because you guys like when I do that, so I will be bringing back pranks. I got you guys, I promise. Now also what I was paying attention with is that you guys wanted more of me. You guys are like, oh Kiana, we want to see more of you, this and that. That's what the other channel is for. And when I was seeing those comments, I'm just like, oh you guys, I have another channel for that. Like, did you guys not remember when I said that? So if you guys, so with that being said, I do pay attention to you guys' comments and stuff like that. Also with vlogs, I feel like my vlogs are really like getting boring, so thank God I found a videographer. The videographer is dope. He's gonna travel with me and he's gonna vlog everything because when I travel, it's dope. You guys know I'm always on the road, I'm always gone, but I don't vlog it that much. I don't really vlog when I travel because it's kind of hard to like do this all the time and also have fun and all that good stuff. Like, yeah, we're out here, whatever. So the fact that I have somebody to travel with me, vlog with me, I'm so happy for, so thankful for. And he's gonna edit the videos really dope, so my editing is gonna be different. We're just gonna brand this channel totally different because I've been paying attention to you guys wants and needs and stuff. So that's why I haven't really been consistent on this channel, because I want to give you guys what y'all want, and it was frustrating me, but I take my time. I try to figure out, take my time, re-comment. I might not comment back all the time, but I re-comment, and I'm like, okay, I need to do this. I need to game plan. So with that being said, I had about 3-4 meetings with my team. I'm like, okay, we need to do this. We need to change this. This needs to go on. We need to stop doing this. We got to start doing this. I really pay attention, y'all. When I say stay tuned for new content, it's going to be new content. There's going to be new people on my channel, definitely. You might see some familiar faces, but I do just want to start back doing challenges with people. You guys like when I was doing challenges with different guys. I feel like you guys just didn't like the new guys on my channel, but like Tyler and stuff like that. We could bring Tyler back to the channel. We could do some challenges. You guys want me to start doing pranks on people? We're going to do pranks. I know y'all want to see Carmen on this channel. Y'all want to see Chaz. I'll bring them back on this channel for sure, and we're gonna get it lit. We're gonna get it popping, I promise you guys. So y'all just stay tuned for that, okay? Challenges with different guys, more funner guys. If we're gonna do guys, y'all, okay, dolls. If we're gonna do guys, let's stick to the guys with personality, please. I know, I seen y'all comments. Let's stick to guys with personality. Let's stick to the cute guys, whatever. Guys that's really gonna give you guys a show. We're gonna do that, I promise. I feel like you guys don't have a problem with me doing videos with guys. It's just the guys I'm doing videos with, you guys weren't too, you know, y'all wasn't really feeling it that much. Okay, and I know, I seen it, I felt it, and I'm like, okay, we need to switch this whole thing up. So I'm gonna pay attention to a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna try to change a lot of stuff. I'm not saying everything's gonna be changed right away. You know, it takes time, it takes a lot of work, it takes a team. So gradually you guys will see a lot of changes happening, gradually. I have to work on my new intro. That will be coming soon. It's not made yet, I have to make it. But gradually it will happen, I promise you guys. Just be patient with me, have faith in me. The dollhouse, we're basically in construction, under construction. The dollhouse is under construction. The dollhouse, we're putting an elevator in the dollhouse. We're putting a pool in the living room. We're building a garden in the backyard. We finna have a fucking fairyland in the backyard. Like, we're under construction right now. At first, the dollhouse was just a house, a pink house. I'm just imagining right now. First, the dollhouse was just a pink house with a bunch of bedrooms for all my kiddos and kids. A bunch of bathrooms, beautiful kitchen, lots of snacks. We had makeup rooms, game rooms, all that stuff. Movie rooms, theater rooms. But now it's like, okay, the dollhouse needs to take it to another level. We need elevators, we need a pool, we need jacuzzis, we need animals, we need roller coasters in the back, we need a total 360, we need chefs, we need a lot. With that being said, we're going to be doing a whole 360 on both channels, The Life of Kate and Kiana J. So I want you guys to just stick with me, keep supporting me. I love you guys so much. I'm doing this for y'all. I want to make you guys happy, and yeah, this is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. I did tell you guys that I am gonna show you guys my lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and reveal my lips. Now my lips are really bruised. If you did not watch the vlog on the other channel, you would not know that. But my lips are really bruised, they're really swollen, so they don't look really flattering right now. In a few days my lips will not look like this, so in a few weeks they'll be like very much smaller. I'm gonna add another clip in, I'm gonna add some boomerangs in here so you guys can see what they really look like, because I'm kind of outside and I feel like the camera's like washing it out. I'm probably gonna add in a clip from my last vlog to this video so you guys can really understand what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna add the clip now. So I don't want y'all to be like, I know I keep stressing it, but I really do not want y'all to be like, oh my god, her lips are so big, she should never got them done. They're swollen. They're bruised, they're swollen, so right now they look a little weird. They look really big. Right now I have Aquaphor on my lips. I can't put like lip gloss and stuff on my lips because they will get infected, and we don't want that problem at all. We don't want no infected lips. So the bruising should go down, should go away in like 3 days. The swelling goes down in 7 days, so my lips should look a little better in a few days. I will keep you guys updated on the whole process. Shout out to Melissa as well for doing my lips. Shout out to Skin Lab in Houston. You guys should definitely book them if you want. Like, they do stuff for your skin, they do lips, they do a lot of stuff. So their Instagram will be down below in the description box, so you guys can check them out and all that good stuff. Yeah, I love my lips, you guys. I know they're like big, they're swollen, but when they do go down, they're gonna look bomb. And do you guys like the new hair color? Let's get with the hair. I'm gonna come close on my lips. I'm gonna zoom in on my lips and just show you guys. Once again, do not judge how they look right now. But we're gonna do, as the weeks goes on, as the days goes on, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Especially for girls out there that wanna get lip injections and stuff. I'm gonna let you guys know everything as the weeks go on. When I'm done showing you guys this slow-mo, I'm gonna talk about how it felt, like the whole process, all that stuff. But yeah. Okay, so as you guys see, my lips look really bruised. They don't look flattering at all. Y'all know I just got my lips done. It's not gonna look the best. Just like if you used to get your body done, your body is not gonna look the best. It's gonna be bloody, it's gonna be swollen. Same with lips or whatever the case. When people get their nose done, it doesn't look the best. You get black eyes. It's just a whole healing process. So same my lips. They look a little cracked. They don't look appealing. They don't look kissable right now. And that's because they have to heal. But if you're interested in getting your lips done, the pain, first they do numb your, I just hit my lip. First they do numb your lips. They numb it with a topical cream, as you guys seen. I think I did get that in the vlog. They numb it with a topical cream, and your tongue will get numbed. This is stuff people do not tell you. Your tongue will get numb, your throat will get numb, just your whole mouth area will get numb. Another thing, even though you're numb, you still feel the needle going inside, and it does hurt. I'm pretty sure you guys seen me like, ooh, and I was holding my camera so tight because it does hurt a little bit, but it's tolerable. It's not a pain where it's like, okay, I'm never getting my lips done. Like, it hurt too bad. People say it just hurt too bad, whatever the case may be. It's nothing like that. It's definitely tolerable, but you do feel the needle going in there. But with them, I'm not sure if a lot of companies do this. With them, their fillers, like the medicine or whatever, makes your lips big, whatever the case, it has numbing medicine in it. So as they're injecting your lips, they're getting numbed at the same time. So as they go, the process get easier, but it still hurts like around the lining area and stuff like that. So it is pain there. So I know a lot of people see videos of like girls getting their lips done and it doesn't look like it's hurting. It does. Oh my god, my phone's going crazy. It doesn't look like it's hurting, like they're just sitting there, but I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. It do hurt, but it also depends on your pain tolerance. I do not take pain well, so those little injections all over my lip line was hurting me, but it was definitely worth it. I'm super excited to go back and get another round because I know my lips will look even more full. I know right now they're swollen. They told me not to get used to the swollen look because this is not how your lips will look in 2 weeks. You will be mad if you get used to this swollen look, like, oh yeah, my lips gonna look like this in 2 weeks. I think they'll be bomb. No, you have to go again. A lot of girls that you see that has these big full lips that got their lips done went about 3 to 4 times. So just keep that in mind. Me, I only have to go 2 times because I already have full lips. I just want more definition and more of a fuller look. More of a fuller look, more plump. I'm not really going for size in a sense, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the final look. not the final look, but for today, this is day 1 of lip fillers, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated as the days go on. You know, that's what this channel is for, you know, like beauty stuff. So I know a lot of you guys are mad at me. You guys told me not to get my lips done, but you know, I don't listen at all. I don't. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for more vlogs because I got some more stuff coming. Also, I'm going to take you guys with me on another journey. I'm getting something else done. I'm pretty sure we all know what that is, but I'm going to save that for a separate video this week because it's happening really soon. So I want to take you guys along with me every step of the way with everything, my life. Follow me on Instagram, it's Poppy4_. Add me on Snapchat, it's Poppy161, and follow her girl on Twitter, it's PoppyK and KY. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.